Hi everyone! Happy birthday, Jerry! Many more years to come and enjoy your birthday. Sana more good health to everyone. Happy birthday!
Okay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Brother, tomorrow is your birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. Sana laging malusog ang katawan. Okay, alam mo naman, love ko kayong mga kapatid ko kahit nagkakatampuhan. Pero naisip ko matatanda na tayo. Kaya sana laging okay ka. Okay, yun lang. Happy birthday, my brother Jerry. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, big brother. Wish you all the best on your birthday. Good health and happy life.
And a prosperous life and a peaceful life. Good health.
Okay.
All the best that your heart desires, Kuya. We love you. Happy birthday. Pasensya na at wala kami dyan. Andito pa kami sa Ilocos. Pero bukas sa Manila, Laguna naman kami. Hatid lang yung mga seniors. So, enjoy your day bukas, Kuya. Wish you all the best. We miss you all. We love you.
Okay, bye-bye and you take care. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Popsy! How old are you? Enjoy your day! Thank you sa mga pag-aalaga mo sa mga apo. Salamat sa lahat. Happy birthday and many more birthday to come. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Balay! More birthday to come, okay?
Mga yan, hindi sanay sa video. Enjoy, Popsy! Here's for you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Bye!
Hey, Uncle Jerry. Just wanted to wish you a very happy 67th birthday. From your favorite Landale here in Fairfield, California. Just wanted to wish you many of God's blessings. Have a great birthday.
Hi, happy 67th birthday, Uncle Jerry. We miss you, love you, have a blessed day, and don't party too hard.
Happy birthday, Papa Jerry, from Isaiah.
Happy birthday, Papa Jerry! We love you!
Happy birthday, Uncle Jerry. Stay healthy and many more birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Jerry. Happy birthday, Uncle Jerry. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola Jerry. Lola Jerry.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Hey, Uncle, good morning from Bahamas. Happy 67th birthday po sa inyo. More blessings, good health po lagi, and always be safe. And enjoy your birthday, Uncle. Thank you, and happy birthday once again. Thanks. Here is my working area. Dito, yeah. Uncle. Good morning from Bahamas. Happy 67th birthday po sa inyo. More blessings, good health po lagi, and always be safe. And enjoy your birthday, Uncle. Thank you, and happy birthday once.
Hello, Popsi Jerry. Happy 67th birthday po. Thank you po dahil you produce a very beautiful daughter in Jelay, which is the mom of my kids, and I'm so thankful po dahil sa character na naipamana niyo po sa kanya. She's a very good mom to our kids, so sana mag-enjoy ka, Popsi, sa birthday mo, and may God bless you, more health, peaceful mind and heart, and safety in everything you do in life. And yung gift ko, papabaksa lang natin, ha? I hope you enjoy in your 67th birthday with your close family and friends, and happy birthday po, Popsi. Napaka-blessed ko po na magkaroon ng in-law na katulad nyo po. So blessed po talaga sa inyo nila Mamsi tsaka nila Jeff. Thank you so much, Popsi. Happy birthday. Enjoy your wonderful day.
Hello, my friend Jerry. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Okay? Pare, kahit ako'y nasa trabaho, hindi ko makakalimutan na bukas ay birthday mo. Kaya ngayon pa lang buwabati na ako ng isang napaka saya at maligaya at malusog na kaarawan mo, pare. Mula sa aking puso, pare, ikaw ay aking binabati ng maligayang kaarawan at marami pang kaarawan nawa ang dumating sa buhay mo.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jerry. Wishing you more happiness and healthy body and young body. Happy birthday, Kuya Jerry.
Pare ko Jerry, happy birthday. Kagigising ko lang eh. Happy birthday, pare ko. Retired na ba? Nag-i-snow sa labas yun, ayan o. From Anchorage, Alaska. Okay. May you have more birthdays to come. God bless us all.
Wishing you the happiest of birthdays.